It feels like every week, every expense just keeps getting more and more expensive without an end in sight. This is especially true in the grocery store. The good news is that there still are some incredibly affordable foods that are both nutritious and delicious, and they can dramatically stretch your grocery budget if you're willing to put in a little bit of work. For me, those foods are beans, lentils, chickpeas, and other legumes. Now, before we dive in, I'd like to preface this video by saying that I am not anti-meat. In fact, I think that meat is one of the most nutrient-dense foods that we can eat. We raise meat and we eat a lot of wild-caught venison, but we are typically not buying a lot of meat from the grocery store because one, it's very expensive, and two, the quality of meat in the grocery store is very low. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the biggest bang for your buck and trade the least amount of your hard-earned dollars for the highest amount of nutrition. And this is going to be hands down with beans, lentils, chickpeas, and other legumes. One thing that I always recommend, and something that I personally never skip, is soaking or even sprouting your legumes before cooking them. Whether it's beans or chickpeas, soaking them overnight helps to reduce compounds like phytic acid, which is what makes beans hard to digest, and sprouting them maximizes their nutritional value and shortens cooking time. Now let's talk numbers because this is where legumes really shine. A 1 pound bag of dried beans usually costs somewhere between $1.50 to $2 a pound. Now, you can get an actually much better price if you buy in bulk, but for the sake of this video and for the sake of this example, I'm going to be using smaller quantities because it's going to be easier for you to visualize. That single 1 pound bag cooks up to about 6 cups of cooked beans, or roughly the equivalent of 4 standard cans. If you were to walk into the grocery store and buy those 4 cans of beans, you'd spend anywhere from $1.25 to $2 per can, depending on the brand. That's around $5 to $8 for the same amount of food, and that's more than triple the cost. When you buy dry beans, you're spending less and saving more. One of my favorite ways to make beans even more affordable and convenient is to pressure can them myself. After soaking and sprouting them, I preserve them by processing them in a pressure canner, and this makes them fully cooked and shelf stable, ready to grab and go, and I literally can have a healthy, high protein, high fiber, full meal in minutes. When you do this, each jar typically costs less than 50 cents, even lower if you're buying your beans in bulk, which I do highly recommend if you can tolerate beans and if your family likes to eat beans. It's definitely worth it to buy beans in bulk. When you compare that to spending $1.50 or even more for a single can at the grocery store, the savings become pretty obvious. Plus, when you're canning them yourself, you know exactly what's going inside of your jars. There are no unnecessary additives, just simple ingredients that you put in. Chickpeas have become a fast favorite of mine because they are super versatile and they make meal prepping really easy. One of my favorite go-to lunches has become a colorful chickpea salad layered into a glass mason jar. I start with my own home canned chickpeas, and then I add whatever fresh produce is coming in from the garden, which is usually a combination of fresh tomatoes, cucumbers, peppers, onions, garlic, basil, parsley, maybe a spoonful of homemade pesto, a drizzle of olive oil, lemon juice, balsamic vinegar, and salt and pepper. You can really switch the flavors up and make it very different so that you're not eating the same thing over and over again. I like to make several jars at once and keep them in the refrigerator so lunch is ready and waiting for me throughout the week. I find this to be a super effective way to, one, eat super healthy and also save lots and lots of money. So, if you're trying to lower your grocery bill and eat healthier, it's a simple habit that can save you thousands of dollars over the course of a year. And it can also help you build a pantry that is both practical and resilient. Thank you so much for watching today. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another video.